Welcome to week 2 of British literature. Let's do a little weekly overview. The first thing I like to do in these videos as we progress throughout the year is kind of reflect on the week before, and then I like to go over this week. Okay, so last week you guys did an awesome job completing the Google Docs assignment. You got used to either saving those files as Word documents and submitting them or creating Google Docs yourself. Many of you have already completed this assignment, and I think we've worked out some of the issues that were surrounding those of you who are not familiar with it. But if you are still struggling with Google Docs, please let me know. But for the most part, I think you guys are doing a pretty good job. Then you guys rocked the classroom yearbook. I am loving how many of you are turning in your yearbook slides, how creative they are. There are so many different interests, and I am really looking forward to getting to know all of you this year. That is not a lie. I love getting to know at the beginning of the year because it's a fresh start. So if you have not turned in that yearbook slide, make sure you do that ASAP. Okay. Finally, the pretest. Go you guys. You have turned that in right when at the end of the week. Many of you have already gotten that submitted, and I'm already getting some great information on how I need to teach you and how to help you grow as a learner throughout this semester. Okay, so great first week. I hope that if you're new to OHVA, you are feeling more comfortable. But if you ever have any questions, new or old, just feel free to ask me. I'm happy to help you out. All right, so let's go through what is expected of you for this week. All right, so the first thing we're doing, another kind of getting to know you week. I am going to have you take a Brit.Lit survey on Monday. And this is also due on Monday. Make sure you get that in. You want to make sure you get all your points, okay? And you get, this is again another completion grade, but what you're going to do is you're going to click this link, and you're going to complete a Google form. What I really want to point out to you is that I want you to make sure that you type your last name first and then your first name. So for me, I would do Halpin Katie, okay? All right, so you'll complete this whole survey. This is the only thing you need to do on Monday, okay? And it's all about you. But as much as it seems like, oh, okay, this is a fluff assignment, it's not, because I do read all this information and it comes in handy, especially this one. What is the mess number where I can contact you? Because I do call my students, and I like to make sure that you are understanding and that you know that I'm here to help. So make sure that I get a good contact number for you, okay? All right. So that's Monday. Give it a minute to load up. On Tuesday, you're going to take a language pretest. This is, yes, another pretest. It is not going to count against your grade, okay? This is going to be focusing more on your grammatical skills and your use of sentence structure, okay? So again, don't worry on how well you're doing on this one, kind of like the pretest we had last week. This is really just another assessment for me to see how well you understand grammar, like I said before. So once you complete this, I'll put in a completion grade just like I did for the pretest. The big assignment of the week is the quote response. And this is a written assignment, and I'm giving you Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to complete this assignment. And what you're basically going to need to do is you are going to need to write a 3-paragraph response to a quote that is at the bottom of the assignment. You're going to need to use MLA formatting, and you're going to determine which one of the quotes from these options has the most significance to you. So, and then why you believe it's accurate or inaccurate. So, and then you're going to write your 3-paragraph paper over that quote. So, and you'll be defending why you believe it's an accurate or inaccurate statement. Okay? Make sure you pay attention carefully to all these directions, because I will be assessing your ability to follow the directions and how well you do. Okay? So if you have any questions over this, don't hesitate to ask, but that is the big assignment for the week. Other than that, make sure you're coming to our live sessions. We have a lot of good skill sessions and that we'll be doing this week, and we will be setting the standard of what will be expected of you as a reader and as a writer and as a test taker in this course. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.